Anyway guys, good morning guys, Hello Baby here. Welcome to this vlog of a special. And guys, I'm shoot these videos on Sunday. Actually, this is how my house looks like. And technically guys, I want to say God thank you so much for the gift of life. So today it's another day which God have granted us to see amazing day like this, guys, all of you. And over here we want to take these maize to the field to dry them, and the rest will be remaining here. So technically very in the morning, it's according to my principle. Very in the morning I'm supposed to take at least 1 glass of water, you know, for dehydration of my body. So let me keep it here and then we flow the vibe. Guys, sorry guys, my house doesn't have light, but sorry. And it's 9 a.m. early in the morning, so technically let's head outside and see what is going on. I hope guys, in case you're new here, please subscribe, share my videos to your family. Let me know in the comment section, guys, what do you think about every day when I wake up in the morning. I found some activity going here and there, and I must update you. Wow, as you can see, my brother is flashing fire there. That's my mama. Say hello. How was everything? It was fantastic. Did you know that tomorrow is on school? Yes. Wow. Let's see what they are cooking here. Oh, you are preparing tea. Yeah. Right. Wow. That was smart kitchen, guys. Hey. African village life. Yesterday I was walking with my dog around. Just here. You good? You good? Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. Bruno, say hello. You want to play with you? Say hello. I love my dog, guys, for sure. No, I'll come later. Bro, say morning. Morning. Want to deliver maize outside? At least the weaver can assist you. You take like 10 trip and the rest will remaining inside here. Anyway guys, oh, this axe here. Wow. Guys, welcome. Finally I'm outside. Oh guys, my battery, like my memory, it's full, and I supposed to delete some my previous videos and my yesterday videos. Actually, I wanna show you how my mama doing some local way. I tap. So hey mama, say hello.
Hello.
That's my mom, guys. Hey. This is another side for. Hey. The shaft is going there. Candy. tell me when I hear it. Can
Bye.
you know, guys, look, the shaft is going there. Hey. We done in local way, guys. But when you go to the portion maize, we have those stuff. Hey. This is the shaft here. This is the maize. And guys, we do that process where the wind going to. Say morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
You want to go to church?
Yes.
Hey, you like this clothes so much. Okay, tomorrow is a reopening school. You must remove this stuff. This one, Muskia. Oh, when you came from church, you remove this stuff because tomorrow is on a school day. Say subscribe.
Subscribe
to
my brother
channel. Oh, that is it. Let's show you guys. Guys, give a video a like, comment, and also share my video. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about. Say hello. This is my cousin. Say hello.
Hello.
Hey. We have the dog here, the village dog, but I don't know what is going to go in here. Go! Oh guys, so here it's where my brother brings some maize, and technically we want to dry them in the sun. Yanko torusira kuihari gambe. Mimi nyanki kiroge hanongera azwi. Usayombu yahari. No karute mbeku ya nyuma. Okay.
Ndute ku ya nyuma.
Camera no cover. So anyway guys, so right here they wanna start putting maize right now. And I think when I get money, like one day when I go to Nairobi, I'll come with a big potting paper. This one, I think it can't maybe work because there's a time maybe I'll start the project of making bricks here and there one day, but not now, guys. Hey. Sometimes it's easier to pull her. Okay, don't hold it. Okay, if you bring like 6 strips and the rest will turn it on the other side. You go and bring more. Guys, that's the maize corn. For those people who don't know, maybe the maize corn. I was showing you this process, how they harvest maize from the farm, bring back home. You can watch my rest of my videos, like my previous video, you will see. And then yesterday they bring machine grinding there. So right now it's the process of like drying up. It's a good day, man. Wow. So let's go. I'm gonna help him to push the wheelbarrow, like 2 trips, and then I left the 3 trip to push himself. Anyway guys, on this structure here like cover this place here. On this structure, we're gonna finish up because we had just and then maybe bricks and there, but we keep doing slowly, guys. Imagine we are just from here. Imagine from this angle. I think from this angle, going this way because we demolished these bricks here that are coming this way. So at least to look so big. Let me help my brother here. Guys, we followed the vibe with the vibe to the end. That being said, that's my grandma home. That's my dad's home. Why not? Don't know how I'm going to do that, but they are making noise here and there. So I'm gonna help my brother to pull the wheelbarrow. Kama makaratasi unaona bere gari. Oke mkiru hiri haro kiwanza kerekeneni. Kano katamia kuboli karatasi mu. We karatasi nuengi chibibere. Wasa oranganyere gani sasa kape kwa ma. Nyerere kape ma. Okay, put and I'll help you to pull her. To push the wheelbarrow. Bruno is playing here. You want to climb here? Okay guys, you use this wheelbarrow. Mind.
Zingiri kinalinda nyumba.
My dog is very jovial. Yesterday I take my dog around. Look. It's good, guys. Right now our wheelbarrow help us to pull everything. Wow. So guys, I'm waiting my brother to fill that bag and then put inside here. I'll help him like 2 trips, and then the rest of the video you see where I'm heading to, guys. Please guys, in case you meet my video for the first time and you haven't subscribed, guys, love is for free. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and also share to my videos. So let me know what do you think about on today's vlog. Wow. So imagine guys, how could you maybe transfer this maize from here to other side, but because we have the wheelbarrow and it makes work easier. So even the dog, they want to assist you. Well, Bruno, stop it. Okay. You know I can't that. Okay. Be in front of me. Hold for me a camera. Be there. Be there, man. Yeah, man. Be there and hold for me like that. Make sure can I see the guys look. Stop it. Let's go. I think I don't know that. Pull up, guys. Woo. You see? Let me say the number.
Right. Well.
Oh, guys, it's time to push this wheelbarrow to the end. Make sure that guys you give a video a like and drop the comment. this doing that time? Oh guys, sometime like to give somebody who knew to hold a camera, it's hectic. Yeah. Oh guys, the struggle. Okay. Put on the other side here. So now we can come avocado hard. Can I make bigger? We're reaching on the. Tana kana we can come avocado hard. We can get tumbe. So guys, I'm telling him that's polythene paper to put on this side here, because here we don't have like cow dung. Here it's a clean place, right? Imagine guys, that's how we dry our maize, and then when we finish this process, we keep it in the house. So as he waiting some price to goes up. Alright. Aringanyu. Asa ndinukutura liso hamon. Wango so ya sana karta sinenke. Akiwogo so. Oh, there. Okay. Temke mahindi make. Otora ko wa terenki muke. Taruta ku itatu antura aruti ma otora ko na hara nyuma. I'm telling him to take some maize to put there. Ngotora sana ko antura aruti karta stora ambole. Pull up like that way. You see right now, oh, that's how we dry the maize, guys. Some polythene paper have some issues, guys. Look even here. Wow guys, I'm waiting my mom and my brother. From now I escort them to church, and then some videos are coming from that part. You know, sometimes it's good to make an exercise. So pull up, come down. So if you dry the maize here, if you dry the maize,
Okay.
and you keep it in the store, so you wait the price goes up.
Okay.
So right now the price is somehow low, so maybe during maybe February, March there the prices will go high, and then you know, like if you want to become a good farmer, you make profit, not loss.
Okay.
Yeah, if you want to become a good farmer in the future, right now you are starting, you must make profits. Don't make loss. And I know anyone like to make loss, but some business, they have two challenges. You can make profit or loss. But for us, we want to make profit.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes that money can help you. You know, maybe paying maybe some school fees. I know there's help there, but it gives you a half of the money and the rest you pay.
Yeah.
So that's how maybe you engage to make profit. Oh, my cousin washing clothes right there. Anyway guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video, guys. Maybe it depends, I'm going to church, guys. Guys, I need to check whether they have already finished taking breakfast, so it's time to go like to escort them to church. So come on now. Hey, you have a young man here. What are you eating?
Rice.
Rice. Hey. Okay. Put my rice here. Okay, wait. First, put my rice here. Aku tuh kata anda macam aku sebenarnya ada aku berumur pukul tanpa cari aku isi. Terus aku isi dia mau kita ini cah. Kenapa yang nak cerdak ke dari debra? Kau want to tinggi rekona? Tinggi apa fodo? Bisa dia bicara buah aku. Right, I come to take my tea. Guys, this is my breakfast. Because my mama, she was on a hurry. You need that food. Hey, my puppy, don't like to see where you holding anything. So, guys, this is my rice here, and I want to cover it right now, like that way, guys. Guys, let me show you for the first time. There's something new here, and I want to share with you. We have the fermented milk here. This is fermented. This one here. No, my mama milked the cow, and they make milk to be fermented, and you take with the ugali. I hope one day, guys, I will show you how I'm eating fermented, like how I'm eating ugali with the fermented milk, like this one here. Comment on the comment section. But I know most of the fermented milk people buy in supermarkets, in shop, but in our home here, we done local. My mama milk the cow, boil them, and then keep it. It stay there like 3 days, and then it will be fermented. Hey, energetic brother. You have energy. You have already finished eating. So it's come on, so it's time to escorting you to school, so me curious. Hey, mama is enjoying. You're on the hurry process. Anyway, guys, on this vlog, I'm waiting my mama. Oh, I can kill you. So, guys, on this vlog, I'm waiting my mama to finish taking the breakfast because they're going to church from now up to noon time. So they're rushing up to eat food so fast because of time. What's up, Papi? Because of time, probably. Okay, I want to take my baby outside, so to rush them to church. My sister is ready around the corner. Hey, you like these shoes? Princess of the world. Mama, you if you came from church, you talk and sign, and I told you it. Because I'm asking my mama if she came from church. Her daughter must remove this because we're only dealing with some hours. By tomorrow morning, it's reopening to school, and probably I will make a videos because this is a new year, the year of 2025. So date 6, it's by tomorrow. I will escort my young brother and sister to school. And the one who delivered this maize to other side I think on Wednesday they're supposed to go to school. Mama, did you know Ben is going to school on Wednesday? So they need to dry the maize and to keep it his maize, and then when he go to school on Wednesday, nothing left here. When he say, "Oh my brother, I didn't have maize to cook," I take this one like 5 kg. I put on car, I deliver. Guys, I don't know, maybe it's because of the ray of the sun, but I didn't understand. Yeah. So guys, let's wait till my mama finish eating food and we keep going. Anyway guys, that's my sister, that's my brother, that's my mom. So all they're outside. I want to take them to church because it's far from here. And this is Happy New Year guys, day of success, and my family believe in God. So right now, today's on Sunday, and I think guys I'm shooting this video in a new year, my first vlog on Sunday. But I was shooting the video by my first Sunday's vlog. That's my mom right there. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Say hello. Hello. In Spanish we say amigo. Amigo. Okay, so it's time to go guys. Let me wear this jacket. It's crazy. Sometimes it's crazy. Guys, for me, no more height. Why not? I'm showing you. Temera rogo terepo do the sick jacket. Wow. I wear the jacket guys because and I'm riding a bike. Oh, this is my phone. And I'm gonna come. I keep it here. Guys, it's time to go. My bike here. So I think it's neutral. So one on one, you sit. Mama sit.
Wow, sasa ndo unanibadili.
Susonge.
Sasa nitamkia.
Wow, everybody, I think you're ready guys. So it's time to go guys. We shall meet Nasonga on that way guys. And I know guys, most of the people don't use a motorbike. When you see like this, it's a shocking part. But anyway, let's go. We left home. Now we're heading to church guys. That being said guys, every day on Sunday I escort my family. That's an indigenous phrase. Wow. Keep rolling. Get that. People are going to church, man, right now. Ah. Yeah, it's the motorbike. And I have the dog here running, go that way. Woo! This video, it's up to church, guys. I'm telling you. People are going to church, guys. I'm telling you. I have a small kid right there. Whoa. Hey. Oh, we have that there. Guys, we keep going up to church. Telling you guys, people are going another church here. Oh. At the school of which tomorrow I'll make a video escorting my brother and sister. Look guys, incredible story. I see two kids, guys. They were being carried by the a bicycle, guys. One is riding, another is standing. What a good story. Let's go, guys. I'm telling you, people are going to church, man. So right now we have 500 meters apart from here to take a U-turn in Nyabohan's market. Take a U-turn, man. Hey, guys, imagine my motorbike. It helped me a lot, guys. Sorry for the maybe praise. Oh yeah, Fishy. Oh, this is Nyabohan's, guys. This is Nyabohan's for you guys. This one here, right, left, answer for you. Hey, wow. Nono nacha tangu soup. They are selling clothes right there. Guys, this is Nyabohan's. Looks like Nyabohan's market. It's a small center, guys. Look. Oh, they're selling mandazi here. Let's go. Right now, use the tarmac road, guys. Woo! Hey. Guys, sorry, maybe you didn't see me on this spot, but it's because of the light. See, people are going to church, man. I'm telling you. We have another church right there. Hey, motorbike everywhere. I see some little two kids going to church right here. No gas. That's my mother right there. That's my brother. That's kid on the tree. Hey. Oh guys, I left the tarmac, so I'm escorting my family to church right now. Yeah, it's far distance, guys, but it's yeah. That's my brother at the far end. That's my sister. That's my. Why do you take a U-turn? I think why. So my brother is taking a U-turn going another side. Muchere. Kurikuri more. This is the church known as Catholic Church, Roma Catholic Church. Here. Aya, bye.
Bye.
Devoni, bye. Me go. Right. Whoa. That's the kids going to church, guys. Anyway, thank you so much. May God bless you for those people that keep watching my videos. Abundant. For now, I'm going to help my brother, like taking maize outside, inside. Probably it's a good time. So that's the Roma Catholic Church, I think, right there. And we have another one in Isbania town. When we're heading to Border town, there is a time I made a video there. Maybe you're watching my video every day, you have already known. So this is my babe here, and I need to go back home to take my breakfast, and after that I'm going to check the land for my friend again, you know. No destruction of the land. I must be there like 1 week there, guys, so stay tuned. Oh guys, finally I'm back home, and after escorting my mom, my sister, my brother to church. So actually right now I'm just around here, and that's my baby right there. So guys, thank you so much. I'm shooting this video on Sunday. Actually, this is my first Sunday in January 2025. This year will be the year of success. Wow. And the calf is basking in the sun. Say hello. Greet my people. Say hello. You good? So technically, I think this year will be the year, like the year of 2024. And right now, this is my first video on Sunday, my first Sunday video, the year of 2025. So we are in January right now. I wanna see how my brother's maize doing. So they're supposed to be turning every time. So after that, guys, checking the maize or the maize corn, I'm heading this way. I want to greet my grandma. You know, it's good to say hello to my grandma. What's up, guy? But right now I'm just over here, but this week, the week of transformation for my family. Wow. So this is how we dry the maize corn. Early in the morning, I'm showing you how we deliver maize corn from our home up to here. So this is how we dry the maize. Imagine, guys, let me know in the comment section, in your country, did you have such kind of this process of drying maize? Look, but I know for my entire world, sorry guys, I was coming from my bathroom, washing my body. So from I know from my entire world, people maybe buy flour from supermarkets. Hey, another calf here. Say hello. Hey. Hey. Say hello to my people. You good? Wow. So let me greet my grandma, and also I see from the far end also my grandma dry the maize, the same process. Look here. Look. This is how she dry the maize. Look, man. Over here. And this is remaining stuff from the maize, and we can use as a source of firewood. That one right there. She was living here alone. Walk. Weird. Wow. Okay guys, that's a maize corn, and she want to cook we call the mixture of maize and beans. Kani how ga kongere cook? Mahindi ga kongere? Mo.
Matok.
Nagano?
Yeah,
Guys, I'm asking her, did your maize be ready to cook? She told me on other side and this way. Wow. Sometimes guys, we speak vernacular language. Why not? Probably this is where I came from. This is where I'm born and raised. And since I was young, my grandma, she was cooking brown nogari. And imagine that every day you meet meat, like chicken meat, cow meat in the pot. Every day. But I think nowadays, because she's turning older, you can't find maybe some time. But back years, I'm 100% every day. Every day. And I love her very much, guys. So much. I love her so much because, like, since I was young, she was the one who maybe when my mom she was not around, maybe went for the business or the struggling here and then my dad. So we spent here a day with my grandma here. Actually, I'm not saying my grandma on the other side she's bad, but since I was young and my grandma, she was the one who like when my dad she was young, she tried like to be closely to her grandma or his grandma. So we use that step. Also, our dad shows go on other side of your grandma, and imagine guys, in the morning we came here. We eat like probably for this time she was cooking and doing everything. Man, I'm telling you. And we eat brown nougat. I'm telling you, that's the real fact story. I'm not faking things. And it's good sometimes I make a story with her here and there. Imagine 105 years right now. She was totally too old, but because of making exercise here and there, you know, she can't maybe like to be dormant, you know. Like the way she was peeling that maize, she was making an exercise. As my grandma. Imagine guys, I'm great grandchildren. Like she has a grandchildren, so I'm a great grandchildren. For example, in the future, when I have a wife and to have a kid, by God willing, when I found my grandma, she was still alive, she will have a great grandchildren. Right now, I'm a great grandchildren because my dad or my, let me say my uncle, he was grandchildren to my grandma. But I myself, I'm a grandchildren. Like grandchildren, grandchildren, and all. In fact, in future, my kids will be great grandchildren. Like great grandchildren, my kids. So when the God grace, keep praying, God will add my grandma more years. So maybe my kids in future could see my grandmother. So anyway guys, story for another day. So I'm trying like maybe to bring you on back years. Imagine guys, I'm a grandchildren and my dad is grandchildren to my grandma. So that is fact of the story. Imagine, what if for example, let me say for example, I'm the firstborn and I'm a lady even right now I could maybe get married, and right now my grandma could have great grandchildren. That's the fact. So guys, I know a story for another day. So I came here to greet my grandma. At the same time, we make story with her. She's right here, and maybe right now it's a harvest season, and I will try to talk with my brother so they can give her like 10 kg of maize flour, so they can able maybe to cook, but I should know how to cook like herself. And she have a small stick right there, like for supporting her during walking. Here and there, like you do like this. Imagine guys, if you're turning like 90 years, you start bending. Your backbone starts bending like this. So right now she was 105 years. She was using that one's a walking stick right there. And imagine she can't walk from here up to my home, and it's closely 200 meters apart. But she was totally old, and she can walk maybe from here to her house, from her house to here. And all the day, guys, we find her sitting here. So guys, right now I'm going to take my breakfast. Imagine since morning. Kokonyo kirungure. Okay. Kyubure. So guys, I'm asking my grandmother, guys, sorry. Did you take any breakfast? She told me she have already prepared the brown porridge, and she have already taken. So I think maybe she haven't taken anything. I can go and bring my breakfast, but she told me she have already cooked or prepared brown porridge. And in fact, guys, when you came to my village one day, one of our fun, when he or she came to my Africa, especially in my village where I come from, I could show you how brown porridge looks like. And thank you so much for my good fun. I get some good comments, like I showing you how my mom prepare rice. I showing you how maybe mom cook like ugari. People told me, okay, I learned that process. Right now, even me, I'm trying to prepare the rice how your mom prepared. And thank you so much for my good people who keep supporting me. Drop the sweet comment, like I showing you how my mom doing this, and you try like copying what my mom is doing, and which is a good thing. So maybe when you visit one day in Africa, you know how to prepare rice, because we have some maybe different way how we cook rice, and maybe you can buy in supermarket already cooked rice and your works to eat. But here I'm showing you maybe the organic food from the farm, how it's prepared, and doing this cooked, and you eat, you get strong, So what time, man? You guys, I'm saying let's have a nice day. I'm telling her have a nice day. So guys, I'm heading this way, and this way Ash was sasa nako I'm saying goodbye. So right now, oh yes, I was getting that, guys. So guys, I'm heading this way, and actually I'm going to take my breakfast. Imagine, sometime like yesterday I forget to eat, so today I said, you know what, let me put some breakfast, and we see what next. Guys, this is my outfit for today. I have shorts here. Look how often cow graze, guys. Look, no more hide. Say hello. That's how the cow from African graze. Look, guys, I'm telling you. Look, right there. Hey, Right there. Wow. Let's go this way. That's alright. That's my grandma. In case you're new here, that's my grandma. Where I came from, that's my grandma. It's my grandma home. Like January, this is my dad's home, where he born and raised. But my dad's to be specific, my dad's home is right there, over there. They're chilling here. They're chilling plus chewing. Hey. Anyway, let's go. Wow. One day, like maybe a day tomorrow, my mama, she was waiting me to take their kids to school, and that's a big thing. Let me take a cup here. Guys, welcome to our smoke kitchen. This is our smoke kitchen. Although most of the people advise me just build your mama kitchen first. I'm telling you guys, between kitchen and her dream house, which come first? Because when like I put my foot on kitchen, maybe dream house will be somehow delayed. So let's first work on a dream house, and then kitchen will follow later, guys. But I take your comments seriously. For those people who are insist to build my mom's kitchen, for now, let me put more effort on building her dream house. It's 3-bedroom, and it's not a joke. Building, it's have so many challenges here and there. And guys, right now, I'm on the process of completing, like, I'm thinking to stop that guy to make bricks, because I'm on both two sides. I can buy blocks, and then the bricks which have made for me, they can use for the partition of the rooms here and there. But for the blocks, will go around the house, and I think blocks will take only 30 bags of cement. But bricks, man, I'm telling you, from the foundation up to the lintel will take around 100 bags of cement, which are very, very expensive. 100 bags of cement, and one bag goes to $10. Imagine, times 100. I must have $1,000 to afford 100 bags of cement. But if I have $300, I can afford 30 bags of cement for starting for my mom's project. And guys, maybe this is my humble request from my heart. If you want to support with anything that you feel, guys, like maybe you say, oh, hello baby, have a balance stones. Hello baby, maybe we get one said, hello baby, have a balance stones. One said have like 1 bag of cement. If I get 1 bag of cement, I really appreciate. That's how maybe for the 30 bags of cement, we'll dining reduction, like one until we finish up. And I myself, if I get money, I push on build on construction materials. If you're watching my video, although today I haven't shown you, but I go and check my recent video or my past video, you will see how I was buying materials here and there, which is a good thing. For me, I can't take for granted, because I know where I came from, I know my background, and why not, I could joke with money, So like, man, dreams are valid. One day, today I'm talking here, but one day when I'm start building, you will say, okay, hello baby, I was watching your videos, and you just but I'm believing God. The dream could, like the dream that I'm dreaming, one day could be happen, and of which, let's see this year how it goes. Maybe if I have everything on the ground, I can start building on the month of June or August. But if it's hectic, maybe I'll start maybe on November, right? I think there. But right now, guys, If you're watching my videos, how I was supporting my family here and there. And also you guys, you've been supporting my family a lot. Thank you so much for the love and support. May God bless you a million times. Without you, I couldn't be here. Imagine. So right now, guys, I came to take the spoon here. And oh guys, I'm looking at the cup. And 1 cup. And this is my tea which my mom prepare. Oh no, my brother. My milk tea. So guys, I'm going to have my breakfast, and then after that I'll see how the day is going. Wow. Guys, welcome to my house. In case you're new here, this is my house and I'm living with my brother and our second brother living on that house because everybody have its own room. So right now, guys, let me have my breakfast. Choo. Oh guys, this rice here was covered by 2 plates. This milk tea, guys, even in the morning I showing you how the tea are being prepared. Oh guys, man, this is rice, and most of the time we bought this rice from Tanzania because somehow the currency of Tanzania, it's cheaper than Kenya, and we prefer food stuff from Tanzania. Like I went there to buy fish, but I think on this week I will buy fish and cook for my family from Tanzania. We buy tomatoes there, we buy rice there, like maybe veggies we buy in my country because my country somehow the currency like in terms of basic needs somehow expensive. So guys, let me pray for my food before I take it, guys. God bless my food that in front of my table when I take it. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Guys, let's enjoy the food to the end. So guys, wow. Guys, this is how we do. I know, like, if we are Islamic, we use hand. But according to my culture, we use spoon. Whichever the case, if your hand is clean, you can use your hand like scooping. Otherwise, you can use spoon. Wow. Oh, guys, let me enjoy the food. For my returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning back to watch my video. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe. And for my premiere game today, you get the premiere, don't worry. I'm trying to work here and there to give you the best content, the best positive vibe of the way. And guys, let me know on the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. And actually, it was my first Sunday vlog that I'm shooting the year of 2024, the year of 2025 January. It's my first Sunday, guys. Imagine. Let's see. Maybe on Sunday, a Sunday like this, my first Sunday, we'll be having some different challenges or different success. Sometimes, guys, I face challenges here and there. Guys, let me enjoy the food. is right here. So we shall meet on the next vlog, maybe today on, maybe to shoot long video because it's on a Sunday and I feel like I'm tired. So guys, when I finish to enjoy my food, we shall meet maybe at the end of the video, guys. Stay tuned. Well guys, so right now I finished taking my breakfast. Actually guys, by watching my videos nowadays, my family put something on table, you know. And I want to say thank you so much. Thank you a million, guys, by supporting me in other way. Guys, you're supporting me in other way, like maybe in terms of basic need, in terms of food here and there. I want to say thank you so much. Anyway guys, so I want to end my video here. And on today's vlog, guys, I'm supposed to go and check my friend's land. You know, every week I must be going there, but probably because of time, and today's on Sunday, so I feel like I'm tired, so maybe I'll go there maybe tomorrow or this week. And where's my birds goes? You know guys, these birds came from nowhere. They came and camp here. Imagine, they are staying here almost 2 months, like 1.5 months, I think so. I don't know, it's because of that maize, and that maize, it's drying up. Guys, sorry, yesterday I supposed to clean this place, and because I haven't planned yesterday, I have my visitor here for the first time, and maybe he came with an intention, so he want to do YouTube. Like, I'm inspired people. I feel so good when I inspired people, a young boy like I myself. I feel so good. But yesterday I gave him some tips how you do videos, and he told me he know how to upload, and I show him how to shoot the videos, and to make some minutes, you know, because if you're new on this game, there's no need maybe to make a 20 minutes, 10 minutes, at least the highest number of minutes, maybe 6 minutes. And probably he has a YouTube channel, but he was making videos, and I told him the more you make videos, the more success is coming. And for me, like, I can't ignore if maybe somebody calling me and I told me I'm just around at your home, so I receive it. But I must be very careful because maybe some people come with a bad intention, and for me, I must be very, very, very careful. So guys, where these birds go? Okay, I see 3 of them right there. Hey. Hear that, birds? So guys, I want to end my video here. May God bless you. And this is my first Sunday, the year of 2025, and I thank God to see a new year like this. So let's this journey to be continued, and it's 1,000 milestones, you know, like to build 3-bedroom house. I don't know how long it could take to finish up, but by God's grace, we'll finish up. The way I finish this toilet, I'll finish up, guys. You know, just keep me on prayer and watch my video every day. Don't skip ads, please guys. If you skip ads, that is the end of the story. If you watch my ads and my videos till the end, maybe the end of the month, maybe I could able to buy sand, and the next month I could able maybe to buy like stones, slowly guys, by itself, you know. So, and maybe this all updation for you. By tomorrow I'll take my young brother and sister to school, and then imagine guys, maybe this whole week I take them to school, and on Wednesday I take my brother to university again. I escort him, and then on Thursday I'll be coming back to pay the school fees one-on-one, and then the following day, maybe you will see, guys, in the part of the video I don't want to mention, maybe you will see, but hopefully I have money for the rental for my brother who studied in university, and I'm supposed to pay that money. So it's $100, of which it can take him 4 months. Last time I paid $100, it take him 4 months, but they will finish on January that month, because he went on we count, let me see, okay, we're starting paying on date 24th January, you know, like 24th, I think 28th there I will start paying the money, but I will pay money early as possible, so my brother could be able to settle down and study, because he was rented outside. He was coming from outside going to school, just like a walking distance from my home to my neighbor over there, like let me say some meters apart. But guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video by tomorrow, guys. Bye guys, I wish you happy Sunday, guys. Bye.